Hello, welcome. My name is Neil and this is another airbrush video. This particular video I'm continuing the theme of doing World War II pictures. So I was requested to do a British soldier. So this picture I found on the internet and I thought it was pretty cool. A guy sitting there chilling out, smoking a pipe. Whereabouts in the world, I have no idea. Who it is, I have no idea also. So, but yeah, I just thought it was pretty awesome and everything. So, it seemed to go down well on my American one. So thought I'd do a British one. I've got a few others that I'm looking at as well. So that I think are pretty cool pictures. But yeah, I just thought I'd give this one a go as well. So, like I said, it was requested to do a British soldier. So. Hence, here is the British soldier. So hopefully you'll enjoy it as much as you did with the American one. And as always, please feel free to leave any comments, subscribe, and all that lovely stuff. So with that said, let's get to some painting, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. See you soon.